Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making healthy beets juice. Yes, we cook good food. No, we cook great food. So it's time for us to take care of our bodies. Today we will be making this juice and it's pretty simple. It's basically beets, ginger, and water. So here I'm rinsing off my beets that I would have already washed. Then we will peel the skins off. We will dice them into quarts, and I'm also using half a cup of chopped ginger, fresh chopped ginger. Now I will add the ginger and the beets and definitely some water to my magic bullet blender, and we will blend this until it becomes nice and smooth. Now 3 beets can actually give you about 6 cups of juice, and I use lots of ginger. So beets and ginger is a match made in heaven. All right, we need to take care of our bodies. I need my family, my supporters, my subscribers to stay healthy so we can go on this journey together. So now what we will do is strain the juice so we can remove the pulp. Got my rubber spoon and I'm pressing against the strainer so I can get as much juice as I can. And juicing is a healthy way to actually diet also. You really don't have to starve yourself. You just need to eat healthy. So there it is, guys, our healthy, hearty beets juice. Super delicious. I absolutely love it. Thank you again so much for spending the time with me today, and do enjoy. Bye-bye.